saw them, they're doing aerial maneuvers over there. They did like the split where they like go up and they're like.
They're always here. What are you talking about?
Dude, I've never seen them. And they went like. It was so cool. They had like smoke and everything. You can't see it though.
Yeah. Bro, I got the biggest cramp, bro. I just got a cramp. How am I supposed to make it up that? How am I supposed to make it up that? Do it. Hold on, let me. My cramp, bro. My knee, my leg cramps so bad right here.
That's a nice little tune right there. You gotta keep on the pipe, but.
So, how do you think I should make it up that?
You did good.
No, Dad, he said, how do I get up it?
How do you get up what?
That.
Watch. No, you just go, just watch me. Watch how slow I go.
Oh.
Got it?
Ah.
Look at that, they did a big loop.
No kickstand, so I just gotta lean it. That was nice. That was fun.
Yeah. You did good on the sock stand back there.
Thank you.
I saw it. I was right behind you, just in case you fell.
Oh. Down there, I forgot.
Oh. I'm right on that.
Well, I gotta keep my helmet on to show YouTube, so I mean, like,
Oh yeah, you recording?
the whole time.
Justin, how you feeling? Good.
This is sketchy. Okay, we get all the way up these. Where is it? Alrighty, so, for those who have seen the Why I Don't Lead video, this is the spot. That was a stupid idea. It died. Sorry about that. That's just wonderful, isn't it? A little changed, but like, so what it's like. Yeah. That wasn't supposed to happen. Again, but I'm kind of stuck here. Why does this happen to me twice?
Need help? Got it?
How you doing, young man?
Second time in like 10 minutes.
It's okay. You know what? It's the experience. That's good. You didn't get hurt though, right?
Uh-uh.
No, it's just sometimes your wheel washed out. You
Exactly.
remember, lean back. That's the biggest thing I can say.
My poor new decals.
That's awesome. Good job. Good spirit. This stuff is soft.
It is. It did not look soft when you went over it.
No, it didn't feel that bad. But now that I'm in it, look at this.
Yeah, that's my tire got stuck.
You leave, Michael. Just gotta go right. You should go right there.
All right. I'll go one more time. Cramp! Yeah, I'm not pulling down my pants.
Yo!
Actually, technically, I am pulling down my pants, but like
Right in front of me?
public. Yo,
Oh, you said. I'm holding my.
he's holding the bike for me.
You said I might need a bigger bike. When you're on the hill, you're like, eh. Eh.
Well, because that's on the hill, and I had a cramp. My legs keep cramping.
Number one. It says number one on it.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, on the side, yeah.
Did you put that there?
No,
Well, who put that there?
the previous owner.
He was number one. He was first place. How high did I go off that jump, by the way, Michael? Number one. Because it felt really scary, dude.
3 inches.
It felt so scary.
This feels scary.
It's easier on that.
Eh.
I've jumped when I used to have my bike and I went to the track. I had like 3 laps just to get used to it, and then I was flying through it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. What was I
It's
gonna
more and less scary on a dirt bike.
Yeah, it just, like, I don't know how you're supposed to set it up.
What?
Like, I'm going to, like, a rolling jump, like, I'm rolling the jumps, you know? Like, I give it a little bit of gas, and then I let it,
Over it?
and then I let it do its thing.
It works on a dirt bike.
Yeah.
Won't work on this.
Well, because I also can pull this up a lot easier.
Yeah, I can't do that, no.
And then another thing is, when I fell, my front brake kind of got a little tweaked.
Oh, you bent it?
Yeah.
when we go back, I'm gonna use my RC cars.
Same.
I really want to. I can't stop thinking about it. I want to do it right now.
We should have brought him here.
Dude. Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube.
Alright. At least I think I'm recording.
What?
At least I think I'm recording.
It's a little red dot flashing.
Okay, then, yeah. Bro, it feels like I fly here, but I know I'm just like going like, eh.
Dude, I feel like I don't know if it's just my suspension just relieving itself, but when I go over that, it feels like I'm going like super high.
Yeah, a lot of it's suspension relieving.
Yeah, because it's like, yeah, dude, it's so scary.
And then toward the end, my back end started like moving, and that scared me so bad.
It was like,
In the air.
oh, you doing whips?
Yeah, I'm doing whips,
Do a
Justin.
whip. Do a flip. Huh?
You're not funny.
Alright.
I can make that.
Hey, if you want to, you can, but good luck going through there.
I'll just go that way where my parents did.
Alright. Well, then I guess I'll meet you back.
What?
I guess I'll meet you back there.
Unless I die over here.
Alright.
If I can turn around!
Bye-bye.
Bro, this is stupid. Why would you park in the middle of the street? Who would do that? Obviously these people, but I mean like people with common sense. You've got to be kidding me. Now I gotta roll down this hill and start my bike.